I'm Mark Sweetser, and I'm from Laguna Hills, and I'm currently driving a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. I'm running the R1 Concepts big brake kit. I can't believe the difference from what I had with stock, especially with this 2,000-pound trailer. When I'm going down descents, it really, I can notice the non-brake fade that I had before. I can't be happier than having the R1 Concepts big brakes along with the aesthetics, the way they look. I can't ask for anything better.